Hey, hello everyone guys. So now that we have to pretty much have to attend meetings from home due to the coronavirus, and we want to do everything most efficient way possible, so the companies and schools pretty much prefer Zoom for meeting because it's most efficient app available. And one of the issue we may face during the virtual Zoom conference is something like you want to record a video or a class that might appear to you as important, but it says you need a permission from the host. And I will show you a trick today so you can claim yourself as a host. So in order to record a conference, you need to claim yourself as a host. That's why you need a host key. So the host key is very important. So let's begin, guys. So you have to go to Google and type in Zoom login and go to the sign in page. And once you have to use your same email address and the password that you have used during the Zoom meeting. So you have to type in Zoom sign in. I think I entered the password wrong. So once you log in, you will see a page like this. So you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom where you can see host key and press show. And once you press show, you can see the code. So you just have to copy and paste it in your Zoom app while you're having the video conference, and you want to record the video and claim yourself as a host. So I think it helps too. It helps. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and see you in the next video. Take care.